the rabbis say something very extreme. You would almost think that they're exaggerating. That's what I thought when I first learned this. So here's what the rabbis say. You guys ready for this? The rabbis go so far as to say that the righteous, the righteous people that come into this world and do righteousness, do goodness, are alive even after they die. That means they live eternally. They're alive in this world, and after they leave this world, they're still alive in the next world. They're alive forever. That's the righteous. And the wicked, the opposite of them, that do nothing with their lives, they're not only dead when they die, but they were dead all along. In Hebrew, it's the tzaddikim chayim b'mitatam. The tzaddikim are alive in their death, even when they die. V'harashaim afilu b'chayehem koroi meitim. They're called dead even in their lifetime. And that's what this teaching is revealing to us. If you live a life of a lie, then it's not that when the lie finally becomes exposed, you realize you never lived. It's that you never lived from the beginning because it was always a lie. For example, if I want to try to trick you, right? How many fingers am I holding up behind my back? You can't see. You don't know. And I tell you 2. And right, I tell you 2. And when I finally take my hand from behind my back, you see it's only 1. So you say, oh, now you realize it's only 1. But it was never 1. It was always, and it was never 2. It was always 1. So it was a lie even when you didn't know it. So when you live a life out of ignorance and you think you're living a life of truth, but the life you're living is all based on lies. Basically, the life you're living has no foundation. It has nothing to it. It's all sheker, lies. So then when you finally end your life and the soul goes up to heaven and is shown the reality, the true reality, and then you realize that you lived a life that was absolutely sheker, it was all lies. So it's not that at that point your life ended, when you realize you lived a life of lies. You realize that from the beginning you never lived. Right. And that's what the sages are saying, that the righteous are called living after they are no longer in the world because they lived a life of truth. And truth is eternal. Truth is the seal of Hashem. Truth is forever. And since they lived a life of truth, so then their lives also will be forever. Wow. And the wicked that live a life of lies, since a lie is never really existed, it's false, it's not real, so their life was never real, and it's as if they never really existed.
Wow.